Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Shiba Inu price prediction and Shiba Inu news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Shiba Inu in 2022. Let me remind you a little about what Shiba Inu is. The Shiba Inu aspire to become an analog of Ethereum Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on the SHIB algorithm. Shiba Inu with SHIB token are part of a whole flock of canine cryptocurrencies collected from Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo Inu, Giant Alaska Inu, LOS, and the Alaskan Malamute token, LASM. These low-value tokens caught the attention of those who missed Dogecoin's jumps from $0.0002 to almost 75 cents. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog in the world. This dog was a Shiba Inu breed and inspired people all over the world to invest in tokens with an image. According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is a Dogecoin killer and will be listed on Shibaswap's own decentralized exchange. Shiba Inu Paper revealed 3 reasons why he created the SHIB team. We started from scratch. The brilliant minds of Shiba have never collaborated before. We love Shiba Inu dogs. So let's start with the most important news of the past days. What to do next with Shiba Inu's possible entry into an accumulation phase. Shiba Inu has established itself as one of the popular meme coins alongside Dogecoin in recent months. At one point, it was ranked within the top 10 on the basis of market capitalization, which had been greater than Dogecoin for a while. At the time of writing, it stood number 14 on CoinMarketCap. Recently, the executives of Shiba Inu unveiled the coin's Shibers, where 99,000 plots of digital real estate would be launched. Digital real estate prices have been skyrocketing, but the same cannot be said for SHIB in the past couple of months. A pronounced downtrend has been the case for Shiba Inu since November last year, but the coin showed that this downtrend might have stalled. On the price charts, we can see that the $0.00003319 and $0.00002045 resemble the range highs and lows for SHIB over the past couple of months. Moreover, the area of demand at $0.00002512 has been respected in the past week, although $0.00002717 has acted as resistance. The RSI has been beneath the neutral 50 lines from mid-November to early February. The rally earlier this month did not shift the market structure to bullish, but it did show that a range might have been established. At the time of writing, the RSI showed weak bearish momentum. The CDV has been red in the past few days after the rejection at $0.00003319. The chicken money flow was also beneath -0.05, which showed significant capital flow out of the market. Conclusion: the formation of a range, and the idea that SHIB might be in an accumulation phase, appeared likely. However, the crypto market could decide to take a turn southward in the coming weeks if the news of war worsens and induces further fear in investors. Until then, the $0.00002060 and $0.000025 areas could offer longer-term buying opportunities, targeting $0.00003319 to take profit at. Next news: Russian rubles could become worthless as allies target central bank after SWIFT move. After the EU, Canada, and the US agreed to remove selected Russian banks from the SWIFT messaging system, the Russian central bank is to be targeted next, which could make rubles close to worthless. In a joint statement on Saturday evening, the allies said they commit to ensuring that the Russian banks are disconnected from the international financial system and harm their ability to operate globally. But what comes as a more unexpected, and possibly more painful move is that the allies also said they commit to imposing restrictive measures that will prevent the Russian central bank from deploying its international reserves in ways that undermine the impact of our sanctions. According to Rob Person, an associate professor of international relations at the US Military Academy in West Point, this would mean that the central bank won't be able to access most of its reserves for currency interventions or exchange dollars and euros for rubles. Rubles could, in theory, become close to worthless, with ordinary citizens conducting exchange in dollars. That would have to be on the black market, since it's technically illegal to pay for things with euros directly. Dollars will be scarce and precious on the street, Person said. Alina Rybakova, deputy chief economist for the Institute of International Finance, also said that sanctioning Russia's central bank is likely to have a dramatic effect on the Russian economy and its banking system. This would likely lead to we will raise the following question: will Shiba Inu return to all-time highs? Shiba Inu continues to trade well below all-time highs. As of February 13, the altcoin price is at $0.000029. At the same time, on October 28 last year, the asset traded at peak values of $0.000086, a decrease of 66%. The price will not return to its historical maximum for a long time. This is the phrase of one of the analytics experts. After the price collapsed by 80% to $0.000017, Shiba Inu recovered by 105% to $0.000035. The coin is interesting for investment. As a target, I suggest choosing the level of $0.000053, 50% of the fall from $0.000086 to $0.000017. With a favorable outcome, the price will reach the calculated level by the end of March of this year. Power reserve is approximately 70% with the current price model. The price will not return to the historical maximum for a long time. To begin with, buyers should gain a foothold above the $0.000040 level. Then they need to hold this level for 5 to 7 days, so that the price does not fall sharply again. Plus, a positive background is needed for the entire crypto market, and a fall in the dollar. All markets are in a fever because of the expectations of the US Federal Reserve rate hike on March 16th. Shiba Inu is an asset, the value of which depends entirely on the interest of investors. The more the coin is bought and used, the higher the rate. From this point of view, it makes sense to look at how the developers intend to develop the asset, attract new users, and expand the use of Shiba Inu as a means of payment. And in 2021 alone, the number of investors who purchased the coin increased by 30%, which is a lot. Even institutional investors invest in the asset, despite the fact that it is considered a meme token. Firstly, the shibaswap ecosystem, which includes a decentralized exchange and a marketplace, is currently developing quite actively. Secondly, Shiba Inu payments have become available on the largest online platforms, Amazon and eBay. Developers are seriously investing in expanding the ecosystem, which attracts users, while the scalability of using the asset as a means of payment is growing. There is every opportunity for Shiba Inu growth during this year at a minimum of 30 to 50%. We will also analyze with specific examples what to expect in the coming years from this cryptocurrency. We will start with a forecast for this year, and it sounds like this. It looks like by 2022, Shiba Inu, SHIB, prices will reach a level similar to their previous record high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $0.00003148. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Shiba Inu's maximum price could be up to $0.00003536 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. The forecast for 2023 for analysts is that they believe that the current Shiba Inu price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SHIB could reach $0.00005183 by 2023 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $0.00004401 for 2023, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2023. What will happen in 2 years? Forecast for 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Shiba Inu could cross $0.00007358 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around $0.00006333.